What is up, guys? So today we're going to be doing two-pack opening on the UEFA Euro 2016 France, obviously made by Panini. So without any further ado, let's go. We start off with the Portugal Passion and Pride, followed by a Wayne Rooney Game Changer, followed by a Making History of the Mighty Makers.
Hungry.
And now let's go on with the base. We start off with a Konoplyanka, Ukraine, spectacular player, followed by a teammate of Ronald Yuzak, followed by a Diar Haisach, Danny Parak. That sums up the first packet. So sorry for the wait, let's just... How to open these? These are really hard to open. So I do need some assistance. So I just want to give a quick warning. They are quite hard, as you can see. Oh, wow. Sorry for the wait. Alright, let's... A lot of trouble to open these compared to the tops. Leonardo Bonucci, Chris Bade, Gerard Piqué, Stanichu, Seferovic, Yilmaz Goal Machine, followed by a Lucas Modric, followed by a France Double Trouble, Anthony Griezmann and Anthony Martial. Last insert is a goal stopper, Petr Cech.
Good pack to end off this pack open. Thank you very much for watching and peace out. Lala.